To summarize this enlightening journey, we've understood that data governance is the unsung hero, the silent custodian of the vast realm of data, ensuring its quality and consistency. It is the diligent librarian, the meticulous sculptor, the graceful swan, and the resolute constructor all combined into one. It is the guardian angel that ensures only the most accurate and reliable data is used in the lofty pursuits of business intelligence. Remember, dear listener, without the stringent processes and meticulous oversight of data governance, the realm of business intelligence would be shrouded in uncertainty and mistrust. It is this harmonious dance between data governance and business intelligence that brings about the birth of accurate, reliable, and actionable insights. So the next time you marvel at the brilliant insights derived from mountains of raw data, spare a thought for the unsung hero that makes it all possible: data governance. It is this silent custodian that ensures the library of data is well organized, the sculpted masterpiece is accurate, and the castle of insights stands firm on a solid foundation. And with that, we conclude our journey through the intricate web of data governance and its profound impact on business intelligence. Remember, in the chaos of the data universe, data governance is the beacon of hope, the guiding light that brings order to the unruly expanse.